Looking for toddler care in Evanston with an emphasis on early childhood development? At Toddler Town Daycare, we believe toddler care should include both learning and playing. Toddler Town in Evanston has hands-on activities to facilitate your toddler's growth by building self-confidence, curiosity, self-control, creativity, and self-esteem. Our highly educated and experienced teachers plan activities for your child which include writing, literacy, math, and science to enhance and encourage early childhood development. Call 847-475-1467 for a tour of our Evanston daycare today. Toddler Town Daycare, where your child always comes first. Toddler Town Daycare, 1501 Howard Street, Evanston, Illinois, 847-475-1467. www.toddlertownevanston.com